right, guys, welcome back to One Man Op Fishing. I'm Mike, your host for this afternoon. We're headed out to a spot just around the corner here. You know, it's just been very, very nasty the last couple of days. It's what day is today? My days are all goofed. It's a Tuesday, and I'm wearing my Dodgers hat. The Dodgers have just won the pennant. My brother-in-law lives out in California, so he kind of turned me on to the Dodgers. I hadn't watched baseball in a long time. Started following the Dodgers a little bit. Really like the team. All right, so we're headed to a spot. Again, I have no idea what kind of day it's going to be. Hopefully, you'll actually be seeing this. A couple videos back, I ended up catching not a single fish, but I went over some knot tying techniques, so hopefully that helped you a little bit. And all right, we'll see you in a few seconds, okay? We're just around the corner. I'll see you soon. Cue the music. All right, guys, we're here, and again, it's been raining. You can see the water is up. Usually you can stand down in here, nice and calm. I don't know how long it's going to be clear, but I can always duck for cover if it just rains for a little bit. Water is still relatively clear. Actually looks very nice out. It's also nice and cool. It's about probably late upper 60s, low 70s right now. So let's see if anything is biting today after all this rain. For those of you who care, we're fishing with the Shimano SLX DC left-handed reel, even though I'm right-handed. And we're fishing with the Lew's Speed Stick, medium heavy action, with a fast tip, 20-pound braid, and a stick bait, Senko style stick bait from Strike King. Trying to get some peaceful fishing in. Gotcha. There we go, guys. Yeah. He must have been following it. I stopped it. That seems like a pretty good fish. Oh, yeah. Come on, darling. Yeah, decent fish, yes. Yeah, he's a jumper. Beautiful. Come here. Very nice. There we go. Little surgery here. Simple. Let's get that hook out. Let's put this baby on a scale. That's a nice damn fish. That's a real nice fish. You know, we're not talking monster of the deep here, but certainly a good lake fish. One more time right here. 2 pounds, 2 pound, 1 ounce, 2 pounds, 1 ounce. You guys can see that, 2 pounds, 1 ounce. Very nice. Let's get him back in the water. Yes, very good fish. Okay. All right, darling, you're going back. Here you go. There you go. Beautiful. right back out. Hold up here, but not bad. Let's reset our Senko here, or our shimmy stick as it's called. This is a Strike King. This is a great color for South Florida. It's a pumpkin seed, but they really seem to like it. Here comes the rain. Okay, the rain blew over. I'm coming out of my hiding spot. Let's hope. Nice and clear to the east. This way is east. I don't think you guys can see. It's a little clearer. That's where the cloud came from. Now it's over there, but that's South Florida. You know, clouds will blow right through. There's a hit. Gotcha. Yeah. There we go, guys. Oh, he's trying to get in something. Nope, you're not going anywhere. Here we go. Caught up in those weeds a little bit. Felt him tapping at it. All right, come here, darling. Come here. He ain't worth weighing. He's a couple ounces, 8 ounces, 6 ounces. There we go. We'll show him off to the camera anyway. Look at that little guy. He's cute. You know, I didn't do the fist test on the other guy, but you saw him on the scale, so you don't really need the fist test in those situations, because I weighed it. All right, let me see if I can wash my hands off a little bit here. All the way to the other bank. There we go. Don't be afraid to cast into the same spots, guys, because a lot of times bass will be sitting there, but maybe not hit the bait. You know, if you're shore fishing or bank fishing, you may only have 100 yards to fish in, or maybe it's a very small lake. So nothing wrong with casting into the same spot 2 or 3 times. Oh, there's something there, guys. Something's on it. Gotcha. There we go. See, I was just in that spot. Cast back into it, different angle, little fish, but hey, you know, these guys seem like they're quite feisty today. There we go. Another mini. Come here. There we go, little surgery. Let's show him, just a little guy. And back he goes. Boom. See you later, darling. Right up on the grass. There we go. Nice. That's a hit right there. Did I get him? If I got him, he's a little fish. Well, maybe a little bit bigger than I thought. No, he's little. Came right at me. Yeah, the little ones are active today. We got that one big one first, and now three little ones. Come here, darling. I'm gonna get that out of your face. Come here. Come here, darling. There we go. Nothing to it. Hey, just flick me in the eye with that stuff. There we go. There we are. Hey, little guy, you know, you can see he's tiny. Tiny. All right. Boom. The little ones you can just toss in. You don't have to worry about their gills or anything. They're real durable. We're good. Oh, there it is. Gotcha. There he was. He was sitting right there. Ah, he spit it again. Oh, you little lucky SOB. He's sitting right in those weeds. Okay. I caught a fish right underneath that tree last time. Let's see if I can get near it. Can you guys see the rain back out? Maybe it'll stay a sprinkle. You gotta be kidding. Don't get stuck when it's about to pour. Hey guys, check this out. We got ourselves a nice little downpour here. I've been under here about 5 minutes. It's coming down pretty good, but it should blow over in a few. I went ahead and retied my line. It got a little caught, so I got a new bullet weight, new hook, which is fine, and a new stick bait on there. Just in case you're wondering what happened. There it is. It's a Yum Dinger. It's like a pumpkin seed. It's like a bass color on one side and like a golden flake on the other. So very interested to see whether this one catches bass like the other ones. All right. Let's hope we can stay rain-free for a little bit. Oh, there's something. Gotcha. Yeah. Another little one. Well, I guess that stick bait works. Come here, darling. Come here. Just let you go. Come right out of there. Good. There we go. Just a little guy. They hit hard though. I felt them. I guess this rain is is jacking them up a little today. Let's fix our stick bait right back the way he was. Right through here. There we go. It's about 6:08 in the PM. Gonna fish here a little longer, and then I'm gonna move to a smaller lake where I know there's bass, and oh, there's something tapping it. Gotcha. Unless of course I catch something big here. That's a good fish. Feels like it's got some pull. Maybe a pound or two. There we go. Come here, darling. No, he's another little guy. That guy had some strength. Well, we're catching a lot of dinks. No, you don't. Come here. A lot of dinks today, and one nice 2-pounder. It was the first bass I caught. At least I started the day strong. All right, let me just. Well, beat it. Let's try that again. There we go. What the hell is going on here? How the hell did I break that? There's nothing over there. Shoot. Okay, one more time, guys. I was just doing this, and my battery died. I mean, literally in mid-sentence. So, seemed to have broken off my line, and I don't have another. Let me get around these trees. I don't have another hook and weight with me. It's back at the car, so that's where I'm headed. That's where my one-man op tackle box is, and my other reel and pole. But anyway, I'm just making my way back. Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. That's the only way I'm gonna know, how to make the videos better. I'm gonna get back to the car, I'm gonna retie, and I'm gonna head to another lake that I like to fish, that I'm hoping will produce a few more fish. I think we've had 4 or 5 a couple of little ones, 4 little ones, and 1 large one when I first got here, about a 2-pounder. I shouldn't call it large. They love to do that. It was kind of a medium. Just listening to a little Ozzy, or Black Sabbath, I should say. Now that's a song. Okay, here we go. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Shoot. Whoa. All of a sudden it's just raining out of nowhere, no warning. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Damn. Damn. Well, so much for fishing any longer. This poor guy over here, he's not getting away. I got lucky. Good thing I made the move when I did. My car is right here. My rental. Crazy. My glasses are all full of water. It's a good thing I had the car right here. You know, the SUV that I've got leased, or rented rather, my car's in the shop. But I mean, it just opened up. instantly, and that's South Florida. Sometimes you get a little bit of a warning, sometimes you don't. So that's going to be it for the day. We were only here about, I don't know, 5 minutes. I made about 3 or 4 casts maybe. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment. All right, guys, this is Mike here with One Man Out Fishing. I'll see you next time, all right?